Hello students, come to your class. So in this class I am going to explain you the letter writing. What is this children? Letter writing. I am going to explain you how to write the letter. Okay, that means letter writing. Now see children, how we are going to write the letter. See, if you refer the page number 80 children, I have mentioned on the blackboard. If you refer the page number 80, describing a place he has given. He has describing how we are going to describe a place. We should have to mention children. Yes. Once I will let how you will describe the place. You have read about a famous tourist place, Andaman. Yes. Our lesson have completed. We have completed our lesson Andaman Nicobar. After reading the description, don't you feel that you have actually visited the place? Yes or no children? If after reading the lesson, you might have thought that actually you have visited the place. This is because the author has given a vivid picture of the place through the description of the place and the activities. When you want to describe a place, you need to find answer for the following question. See, when you are going to describe a place, you should have to follow these questions. You should have to follow this question, children. What are those questions? Where is the place located? First of all, you should have to mention where is the place located. What is it famous for? Where is the place located and what is it famous for? That one you should have to mention, children. How can one reach there? How we are going to reach to that place? How is the weather during the time of the visit? When you are visiting to that place, so how is the weather? You should have to mention, children, that also. Okay, what is the best time to visit? What is the correct time and what is the best time to visit that place? What things to carry when you are visiting to that place? What you should have to carry? That also you should have to mention in the letter writing. Okay, you should have to mention in the description. What sort of commandment is available? Okay, what sort of accommodation is available? In the last class I have explained accommodation is nothing but where you are going to stay. Okay, where you are going to take the shelter, children. Next, what places and things can be seen on the way to the place? When you are going to that place, when you are moving to that place, what type of things you are going to see on the way? Next, what are the major tourist attraction? Whatever you have seen after the tour, after having a tour, children, there will be some tourist attractions. So, what are those attractions? You should have to collect and describe in the description. Now, one of your friends wish to visit the place you have visited recently. Means one of your friend want to visit that place, so which one you have visited, children. Okay, which one you have visited, so that place only your friend want to visit. And write a letter to your friend describing the details mentioned above to help him or his trip successful. That means he is telling us to describe about the place which you have visited. So you are writing a letter. Okay, you are writing a letter to that person to make his trip successful, children. Now come to the letter writing. Now we have entered into the letter writing. So what is the steps? What are the steps we are going to take while writing the letter? What are the steps we are going to? What are the steps? What are the steps are there while writing the letter? Let us see here. First of all, when you are going to write a letter, keep the heading first. Letter writing. Yes, in the examination, it is very important in the examination, children. First of all, you should keep the heading letter writing. Now the first step when we are going to write a letter, the first step is to write the station and the date, children. Station and the date. For example, you belongs to Warangal or you belongs to Telangana, whatever it may be, where you are staying, that station name you should have to mention, children. First of all, station. Station means suppose Warangal. 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 Okay, Warangal. Now let us see, children, here. I have kept something here, punctuation marks. What are these? What is this punctuation mark? It is comma. Comma, children. It is a comma. Next, station we have completed. What I told in the first step. What is the first step involved in letter writing? The first step is the station and what, children? Date. Okay, right? Date, month and year, and keep the full stop. And you should have to keep the full stop. What is this called, both of them? Okay, this is the first step, no? So this is called the station. This is called station and date. Okay. In every letter, it is very important, children. In every letter, you should have to mention the station and date. Okay, and don't forget to keep the comma and full stop, children. Now goes to the salutation. Salutation. Now we are going to write a letter. No, the letter can be an official letter or a personal letter, children. Okay, letters are different types. If you are going to write a letter to to the office, how you write it? Respected sir. Son, respected sir. To the headmaster sir. Yes, your school name, where it is located. Then afterwards, salutation will come. Salutation in the sense how you are respecting. How you are respecting. Here, which type of letter we are writing? We are writing officially or personally? We are writing a letter. We are writing a personal letter, children. Okay, we are writing personal letter. So how the salutation will come? Okay, leaving these two lines. Okay, leaving these two lines to the left side, you just write your friend name. If you are a girl, you can write girl's name. If you are a boy, you can write the boy's name. You can write here Mahesh. Dear Mahesh. Dear Mahesh. Okay. Dear Mahesh, comma children. Punctuation marks is must and compulsory. So, dear Mahesh. What is this called here, children? This is the salutation. Okay, this is the salutation. Salutation. These are the parts of the letter, children. The first step is the station and the date, and next is the salutation. Salutation, how you are writing? If you are writing to your friend, means dear friend. It is the salutation. Okay. Or else respected sir. If you are writing for the office, means respected sir, like that. So this is the salutation. This is the second part of the letter, children. What is this? This is the second part. Now let us see. After the salutation, which part of the letter will be involving in the letter? Now the main theme will come. Main body. Okay. Body of the letter. Understood, children? Body of the letter. Suppose if you have written dear Mahesh, leaving some space. Okay, leaving some space down of the line, leaving some space and start writing your information. What are you going to write? Okay, what are you going to write? This will become the body of the letter, children. This is called the body of the letter. Body of the letter. Okay, children, this is the body of the letter. What is the theme you are going to write? This is the body of the letter. Now, sir, how we should start writing the body of the letter, sir? Okay, so in the beginning, you should have to write your well wishes. How are you? Okay, I am fine. Well wishes, you should have to explain. Okay, you should have to explain by yourself, and you should have to ask their well wishes. Okay, children, you should have to ask their well wishes, and you should have to tell your well wishes to them. How? I will see. I will tell you. I will tell one paragraph on you how to write. Listen carefully. How to write the body of the letter. Here, one friend is writing a letter to his to another friend. How he will write it? I am safe here. Okay, I am safe here, and hope the same with you there. I am safe here, and I hope that you are also staying there safe. Okay. I came to know that you are planning to go to a famous place. I came to know that. I have heard that you are planning to go to a famous place. Okay. Being a friend, always suggest, no? Here he is suggesting. How is suggesting? I suggest you to go to the Hanmakonda. So, children, letter writing. You are in the which class now? You are in the 7th standard. So, you should have to improve. You should have to learn how to prepare your own words, children. Just I am telling you to how to write. Okay. How you will write, children? This is about the tourist place, no? I suggest you to go to the Hanmakonda. Okay, Hanmakonda. This town is in the Warangal district. That means he is describing about the location also, where it is located. Hanmakonda is where it is located. It is located in which district? Warangal district. Okay, it is located in Warangal district, and it is famous for 1000 Pillar temple. Hanmakonda is famous for what? 1000 Pillar temple. You can take any train which goes towards Hyderabad via Khammam from your place and get down at Warangal station. You can take any train, children. You can take any train which goes to Hyderabad via Khammam from your place and get down at Warangal. Next, as you are in Guntur, that means the person who is going to receive the letter, no children, he is staying in Guntur. As you are in Guntur, you can have a number of trains to Hyderabad. There are many trains from Guntur to Hyderabad. You can visit this place at any time of the year. You can visit this place, Hanmakonda, at the any time of the year. Every season you can. In any season you can visit to that place, children. Okay. You can see some other monuments and structures in the surroundings area of Hanmakonda and Warangal. You can see many monuments. Monuments means are nothing but the monuments, the buildings which are constructed, the monuments which are constructed in the olden days. So you can see around structures in the surroundings area of where of Hanmakonda and Warangal. I trust you can enjoy the trip well. I trust that, I hope that you will enjoy the trip well. So in this letter writing, what he is explaining? He is explaining about the place. Which place? He is explaining about the Warangal place, Khammam, especially tourist place is the Khammam, and it is located in Warangal district. And he is explaining how to travel to that place, whether by bus or by a train. Okay. And what is the speciality of that place? He is also explained in this letter writing, children. So till here we have came now. Lastly, I trust you can enjoy the trip well with best wishes. Okay, if you give the full stop, with the best wishes. Lastly, he is ending with the best wishes. With best wishes. Understood, children? With the best wishes he is ending. So this is total is the body of the letter, children. Body of the letter. Now closing part. How you close? How you close? You are writing a letter to your friend, not describing about the place, and you are telling, you are requesting, not requesting, you are just suggesting him to visit that place, children. So yours lovingly, yours lovingly. Yours lovingly will be the closing part, CLOSING, closing. Okay, this will be the closing part, children. Understood? Yours lovingly. Comma will come. Yes? Comma will come. Yours lovingly means who is writing the letter here? Who is going to write the letter here, children? You are writing, no? You should have to mention your sign or signature. SIGNATURE, signature. That means if you are Rahul or Rohit or whatever it may be, your name. Okay? Your name. Your name you should have to write. Understood, children? After writing the name, keep the full stop. Keep the full stop. Now the signature we have done, children. Now what is the next step, children? How many steps we have done? One step. Station and the date. One step. And the dear minus. This is the salutation. This is the second step in the letter writing. And the third step is the body of the letter. Body of the letter. Next, fourth is the yours lovingly closing part and signature. Fifth one. Signature is the fifth one, children. Signature. You should have to keep your signature or you can write your name. Now the letter is completed. Now the letter is completed. We have written from one place and it should have to receive to another place or what, children? The person should receive the letter. So what we should have to mention? We should have to mention the address. So address on envelope. Okay. Address on envelope. Okay, children. Where it is find? You will find on the envelope. This one. Okay. Address on the envelope. You should have to mention the address on the envelope itself, children. How your address? Okay. Suppose you are writing Mahesh. Dear Mahesh, you wrote, no? Mahesh. Something initial. B Mahesh or something. Okay. B Mahesh or something. Now name you have written. Okay. House number. Not house number. Father name. Son of. Okay. Son of dash. Son of dash. Name you have wrote. Okay. D Mahesh. Son of. Write their father name. Okay. House number. Okay, district dash state dash. Yes, keep the comma, student. Keep the comma. Down you should have to fill this all. Okay, you should have to mention the name, son of, father name should write, house number, which district belongs to, and which state belongs to. So pin, you should have to pin without pin code. Okay, without pin code the letter will not deliver to that address. Okay, without pin code the letter will not address to that address, will not deliver to this address. So this is the steps which are involved in the letter writing, children. The first one is the station and the date, second one is the salutation, and third one is the body of the letter. Whatever the matter you are writing, that is called the body of the letter. After completion of the letter, there will be a closing with a loving, yours lovingly. Okay, signature, write your name. Next, address on the envelope, children. Address, write their name for whom you are going to write the letter along with their address, along with the pin code, children. So this is the methods for you should have to follow in the examination also while getting in letter writing. With this I am ending my class.